Hi everybody, welcome to my art channel. My name is Soraya. So I often dream about my paintings, and there's an actual quote from Van Gogh that says, I dream of my painting and I paint my dream. And that's exactly what I'm going to do today. I dreamt of this painting, and so I've got the colors and I love them, of course. It's my dream, and it's an abstract as well. So can't wait to see what would happen, so keep watching. Okay, so here's the canvas. It's 24 inch by 30 inch. That's 60 by 76 centimeters. My colors are metallics, Deco Art 24 karat gold. You could see that there. And love this color. I've only added water to it, nothing else, okay? And then the next two are house paints. And this one is called Midnight Shadow, and it's a beautiful kind of grayish blue. And then this one is called Moon Sail, and it's kind of a light grayish white color. I had some leftover light blue, that's sky blue light, and that's it. So as you can hear by my voice, I have been ill, nothing major, not COVID, just a cold, but I'm getting over it, so I will sound funny trying to comment. So the first thing I wanted to let you know is that I pour down the colors, and I put them in the order that I think that they would look the best. I've always loved the shape of kind of like wings, and this is what my dream consisted of, a painting where there was this flowing of color on either side. There is something very satisfying to watch when the paint comes together and flows into each other, creating these beautiful color combinations and patterns. I have lots of favorite color combinations, but the blue with the gold and white is probably one of my very favorites. I love it also that the gold does not mix in with the blue to create green. It stays its own true color. I am showing you the way I actually created this, so I didn't speed it up. It is at the same speed as when I was actually doing it. You could see that it is low, and I also have the setting on cool. I had another camera set up so you could see it from the opposite side, and this is what it looks like from the opposite side. As you can see, it is a little bit darker from this side, but that is just because of lighting.
here is the painting when it was all finished blowing out. Now it took about a day to dry, and this is how I started working on it. I knew I wanted to add red and some color in there, so I mixed in reds with orange and purple as well. Of course, white is a very important color to me. It really highlights the focal point. Throughout the next little bit, you will see that I just keep working on this section. I didn't change anything else on the painting. I just kept focusing on this middle section to get it just right and just like what I had dreamed. After all the work that I had put into it, I decided I didn't like what was happening in that section. I just took a wet paper towel and wiped it all off and started again.
I sing next. I just called to say I love you. I just called to say how much I care. I just called to say I love you, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart. As you can tell, I recorded that before my voice gave out. So happy that I dreamt this painting because I do love it. It kind of reminds me of a big wave, maybe sunshine at the bottom of these waves. It's an abstract, so you might see something totally different. Maybe it's mountains. I don't know, but I just love the colors in here. I used lots of different ones, but it is also subtle all together. So very happy with it. Let me know what you think. Click on this link you see now to see more of my enhanced pours.